Bobby Carvel. I'm the general manager for America's Home Place in Athens, Georgia. We're out at one of our job sites today, and today we're going to be talking about decks. We construct our decks with what is called a multiple span versus a single span joist system. The major benefit of having a multiple span deck is it will eliminate a butt joint on your decking once the decking is installed. Right now, obviously, the decking is not installed. This is treated material. So pressure treated material comes out, it is wet. So what will end up happening as that board sits in the sun, the board will dry. The boards start to shrink, start to draw, and they may even, depending as to the moisture content in one board versus the other, one might even be thicker than the other. So the major benefit of having that multiple span deck is the ability to running the deck boards perpendicular to the home versus parallel to the home in most or typical deck construction. What that will do is it just leaves you with a nice pretty deck, no butt joints across, so one, it is cosmetically, it's a prettier deck because you don't see those joints. As well, it's a little bit safer. You don't have the trip hazards. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit us at americashomeplace.com, and please like and subscribe.